All right, guys, what is happening? Simo here, and it has been forever since I've graced your TV screens, mobile phone screens, computer screens, whatever it is you watch me on, because I've honestly been so freaking busy with work. Unfortunately, not busy with the Escort, but I'm back. Everything's back on track now to get heaps of work done. So thought I'd just make this quick video and show you where I'm at the moment and what I'm actually doing today. So you can see I've got my safety glasses on and covered in black stuff. So that'll give you an idea of what I'm actually doing today. Now I gotta ride or die. But as you guys know, that the floor was rotten in the front there, and it's all been welded up now. It's all good to go, and everything is looking good. Just got to fit some seam sealer in here, prime and paint. Do the same on the other side, just clean that off. It's just a little bit of surface rust underneath the seam sealer, so I'm just going to take that off like I did this side and just clean that up. And yeah, there was a couple little bits in the back here as well. If you guys remember, there was a hole here, but that's all been cut out and welded up now and painted, and I sanded back inside the wheel well and painted that up as well. And then here on this side, I just need to finish that off there. And then not much else has happened under here, really. Working on taking the ABS system out, but I think it's going to be easier to take the ABS system out once the engine's actually out. So I think that's probably going to be one of the next things I do, but it's going to be easier to drop the engine out the bottom because the ABS system is going to be in the way of the brake master cylinder and all that kind of stuff. And I don't have a need to take the brake master cylinder out. So, you know, I'm not going to do that. Yeah, so today what I'm doing is I'm cleaning off the underseal under the car so I can treat the underside of it and then paint it red, because it's supposed to be red, isn't it? Because that's the color of the car. So let's get on with that. So I've got my Ryobi brushless drill, and I'm literally just wire wheeling the whole lot. And you can see there's a little bit of, you know, like shitty metal here, but it hasn't gone through, so I'm gonna treat it. But this is all underseal, so you can imagine what it would have been like if there was no underseal there. It just would have been rotten. So I'm pretty happy that it was full of underseal. But yeah, I'll show you how it comes off with the drill. It's not bad. So as you can see, it comes off pretty easily, but I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it's like 2 mil thick. It is thick on. Look how thick it is on the car. So yeah, but that doesn't look too good. But you know, might have to repair that as well. But we'll see. But yeah, I've literally got the whole car to do. So guys, that's pretty much that. It's where I'm at with the car at the moment. We are still obviously doing the EFI conversion, the exhaust manifold. Here's a picture of my exhaust manifold now. That has been sent from the UK last week. It should be arriving in Australia tomorrow or the day after, and it'll probably take about another week to get to me because it's got to clear customs. Then I've got to pay import tax on it and all that kind of stuff. Got a new fuel pump bracket. Actually, I'll show you my other one. I've got a new fuel pump cradle, thankfully, because this one is fucked, and a new pipe as well from the UK. I can actually get the fuel pump here in Australia. It's used on other cars in Australia, so that's pretty handy. So I'll probably just grab a new one of those. They're pretty expensive here in Australia. They work out to be about $300. So yeah, but yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, like I said, guys, that's pretty much it. That's where I'm at with the car at the moment. I really appreciate you guys coming back, having a watch and supporting me. And hopefully that the car will be back on the road by February, March time, I reckon we're going to go for. And we're going to be shooting for around about 230 horsepower. And I think we're removing a fair bit of weight with all this under seal as well, because it's on pretty thick. But guys, again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.